Are you ready now?
Yeah.
We don't normally get these in. It's a hobby motorhome. And what did you say it looked like?
Caravan.
Correct, because it is a caravan on wheels with an engine. Hobby, there's many hobbies in the UK, but they're based in Germany. They were started about 1964, 67, but they do about 15,000 vehicles, i.e. caravans and motorhomes every year, so it's a big company, and they're a very well built motorhome as well. But yes, the caravans are really well built and popular in Europe, and there you go. Now this one's a hobby Siesta 65 FL. Don't even ask me what the FL means. Front lounge.
Ooh, yeah.
Now as you can see, it's on the Ford Transit. This one's done 40,000 miles. It's a 2014, and it's going to set you back 42 to 45. The hobbies like the Hymers really hold the value well. Have you changed the battery now?
Yeah.
It's changed?
Yeah.
Can I move now?
Yeah.
3,500 kilograms, so it's about 7 meters at 2014. So nice curves. See the curves? Nice curves. I reckon let's get inside and have a look at this hobby. We've got electric step. A bit windy out here, isn't it? Oh, let's turn this on. Ooh, look at this. So first of all, let's have a look. Come over here. Let's have a look at the cockpit. So as you can see, it's on the Ford chassis. We've got a reversing camera. We've got a media pack there. It's obviously manual. It's a 2.2 turbo diesel.
Nice.
Yeah, so move back. Move back. Let's survey the surroundings. So it's your standard continental style van. Liking the lockers, nice lockers. Big lounge. It is a big lounge. Look at that. Turn that all around as well. I do find the upholstery bland, would you say?
Yeah.
Bland.
It's cosy though.
What do you mean cosy?
Like it's curved.
Okay. Plenty of room though.
Yeah.
Plenty of room there. There is. And then we've got the panoramic window above. Now I'm liking this. I'm liking the wood. I do like the wood. We've got skylights above. Look at these. Look at these things like chandeliers, aren't they?
Pods.
Pods.
Yeah, like little pods.
Oh, okay. Right, we're getting. It's a standard continental style kitchen area.
What makes it continental then?
What do you mean? What makes it continental?
What features does this kitchen have that?
Right, your typical continental van will have a nice big lounge there, small kitchen, because when we're in Europe, the way obviously the cooking's done is all outside, all al fresco, all outside type. And then you'll get a standard French bed, and then the toilet and shower will be at the back end. So a lot of the European vans build this way basically. Now if you notice, we've got the lockers there, and now they've changed.
Yeah.
Quite nice they are. Look at the thickness of that. 3 burner hob, and again, really nice. I love these lockers.
So you won't get an oven in this one then?
Abracadabra. And then over here we've got an oven.
Hey!
Yeah, it's an oven.
Microwave it is.
It's just an oven. It's not a microwave.
Yeah, it's like the size of a microwave.
And yeah, it's just an oven. It's not a grill. No, so that's just an oven. I'm surprised.
Even that's curved there.
Everything's curved, isn't it? Now the star of the show. Check this fridge out.
That's not a fridge, that's a locker, that.
It's not, it's a fridge. Look at this.
Oh.
Look at that. Oh, what happened to my door? Oh.
Pretend you didn't see it like that.
I fixed it now.
Close it and open it again. Hey.
It's not fell off. Just because I've fixed it, it's not going to fall off, is it? So I like how it changes, and then we're going back to your traditional lockers again as well. So French bed. The reason why it's called a French bed is because it's cut off here, and then we've got underneath. Oh.
What?
So yeah, we've got some cushions for obviously making the bed down at the front. We've got a Truma water heater there. And then let's have a nose in the washroom.
Oh my god.
So to combine, look at that, what a nice sink that is.
Oh.
Right, and is this the world's biggest shower head?
Oh my god.
I tell you what does work really well in here then, oh, let me pull that back, is the mirroring.
That's a lot of mirrors
there is, you've got the mirrors there, you've got the mirrors there.
I didn't even realise there was one there.
And then, I'll open this side for you. Got storage there as well. Something's going to happen to this van. I can feel it in my bones. What's happening here? So that's that's...
Shadow.
Yeah, but something's going to happen then.
It's one of them to close off the toilet.
Something's going to happen here. What's that like?
Convinced.
Oh, watch this. Just talk amongst yourselves a second.
Making a right fool of yourself on film now. If you can't get it out.
I don't know where it's... Oh! Make a fool of myself. Watch. Look at that. So that's going to go there, isn't it? That's going to go around there.
You've got a little shower cube.
And then these come around here, and you've got a shower cubicle, look.
That's cool, that.
Do you like that?
Yeah, I wasn't expecting
what have I done here
that
now?
to happen.
That goes back like so. That goes back like so. Oh no. That's got to go in there, hasn't it? That goes there. That will then put that side.
Oh my god.
How good's that?
That's so good.
Look at that. Hey, see? Trying to say I was going to make a fool of myself. And that's hobby for you. I'm impressed with that.
That's good.
Do you know what? Everything feels sturdy, strong, everything. Even the lockers, they just...
Bit freaky that one.
Yeah,
but...
they just feel, everything feels strong. Good sized bed. And then you're probably going to ask me how you make the bed up at the front, aren't
Yeah,
you?
how do you make it up then?
Don't know, we'll move on to something else.
Oh, you got a little hook for your wardrobe.
Good sized wardrobe. Let's have an easy what's under there. Oh, there's the pump. Can you see the pump?
Yeah.
So there's the pump under there. Ooh.
Oh, that's one thing you've got to watch out for there.
I don't want to do this anymore.
I'm retired.
I'm retiring. What's that for? We don't know, do we? Right, let's have a look at this front part. So the impressions I'm getting, it's definitely two people, personally. Until I make this bed up, I might be proved wrong.
Big table though, isn't it?
It's a huge table, and again, it's sturdy.
Squiggles.
So what are we getting here?
So you can eat your food in the front.
I'm retired. I definitely am.
Oh.
Now it looks telescopic there.
Just a bit.
So normally you push down. No, lift up.
Hey.
Oh, okay. Well, you normally lift up and push down. So does that push down? Oh. Getting to the bottom of it then. So what have we got here? That. Oh, look at this.
Yeah.
Sussed it on. There. And then we're going to have the other cushions in there.
Yeah.
Where were the other cushions? Did we see some other cushions?
Yeah.
Where?
Under the bed.
Okay. You stop there.
He's found them.
I found them. Found them.
Can't get them through there. Quite big them.
Tell me about it. How the hell is that going to work? Oh, looks like a big jigsaw then.
Yeah, and then that one will go there. We'll figure out how to do that.
That one goes there, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Look at that.
It's mismatched beds.
But we need support under here, you know. What's that do there? What's that do, man? Oh yeah. Yeah, ah, there you go. So that's like that. Tell you what, it's easy when you know how, isn't it? There you go, look at that. Perhaps it is a 4-berth after all.
Maybe.
I'm quite impressed with that. While I'm here, I've just noticed we've got the Truma heating controls as well. So we've got the heating and hot water, we've got gas and electric. That's quite ingenious. So that goes back down there. That goes into there. I'll put that there for a second. Pull that one out. Yeah, we've got the 2 belted seats as well here, if you notice. Belted seats there.
Hidden away.
That, oh,
So it's 4 berth?
So it's a 4-berth, yeah.
Well, 4 belt.
4 belts, and then we've got a double bed here. See, and this is how good Hobby are. You can actually have, if you wanted to, you could recreate the pub and have a stand-up table. Look at that. Have my beer, thank you.
Yeah.
And then as the night gets on, we have more and more drinks.
We can lower it.
We can lower it down.
When the cushion's
there you go.
Away.
I'm going to fight with a cushion. So I'm quite impressed with that. There is, if you look underneath there though, that just obviously tightens it all up, basically. I just want to have a quick nose under here. So what have we got? Storage again. Lots of storage. Oh, it's got solar. Can you see the solar controller?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So it's got
flashing.
So we've got that there. Tell you what, it's probably easy to take the table off. There. So we've got the option of not having the table on as well. Well,
you can completely take it off.
Yeah.
A pole and all.
And then what have we got under here? Oh, fresh water tank.
It's bigger than that.
It is a big one. So yeah, we are a 2-berth motorhome, 4-berth motorhome, sorry. Again, a bit more storage underneath there. Yeah. This looks like this can come away as well, so you've got your travelling seats there as well.
I guess if you're so inclined, that could be a single if you can't be bothered doing the bed.
It's not that bad actually, is it really, to be honest?
Do the front seat swivel?
Hang on, where did that go?
There. There.
Sure.
It was there, yeah.
What, there?
Yeah, it's like a big pillow, isn't it?
I'll tell you what, you know, that's a nice big window, isn't it? Drop down it up.
Low window.
Yeah, it's definitely caravan style type of window, isn't it? What did you want to do? The suites? Yeah, we do. We have swivel seats. Oh, I need a breath then, I'm worn out. That looks like that's new as well. Sony Media Centre. Yeah.
It's a fancy looking car.
It is, isn't it, with like the walnutty type thing. 6-speed. Right, the Hobby. It's a well solid made out van.
Sorry, it's me.
So you?
Yeah.
It's not very professional, is it?
I apologise.
Okay. So it's a well-made, well-built Hobby. A really good entertaining area or chill out area here, with the option, which was quite surprising, of making up into a double bed. And I've never ever seen that before, how this comes off, which I think is quite good now that you know how to do it. We've got a good kitchen area there, and then you're in the way, Em.
Oh, sorry.
Good kitchen area there. I'm loving the lockers. I love the colour of the lockers, how it breaks it up from the wood to the white. We've got the French bed here, and don't forget our little shower maker.
Yeah.
At the touch of a button, slides open, and then my favourite
wardrobe.
Oh, massive wardrobe. And then I'm loving that fridge. I just like that. I just like the surround on it. And Em says everything's got curves. Okay, we've got a separator there as well. So everything's got curves. So the Hobby Siesta curvy worthy motorhome, brilliant for 2 people going away because it's got everything you need. It can handle actually 4 berths as well, really can. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.